Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. In the beginning I was planning to focus on crafts only, but when I made my first fruit basket video, I realized that food art is another whole world of art and creations. Although it is new for me, I will continue to share with you all my ideas. Today's video is different and it is a new challenge for me when I made these beautiful mini floral cakes. Loved how they look. A paintbrush is my secret tool. Get prepared and let's start. Slice the cake of your choice, about a centimeter of thickness. Use a cutter for a perfect circular cut. For the icing, I used Betty Croker's whipped cream. Fill your piping bag and pipe the icing between every two halves of the cake. Melt the chocolate you desire and pour it into a silicone mold. Then dip your mini cakes in it. This silicone mold gives a perfect cylinder shape. On a parchment paper, start drawing your flower petals with chocolate. Make two sizes of petals. Use a rounded surface to make nice curved petals. Once the petals dry, the bigger petals will make the outer row of the flower, while the smaller petals will make the inner row. Use the melted chocolate to stick the petals together. Here I used edible gold dust to highlight my flower and cake piece. And that's it. They are very pretty and delicious. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button. See you next time.